Welcome to the Interlace, a vertical village designed by Ola Shireen. The Interlace features 31 hexagonally arranged apartment blocks, each 6 stories tall. This innovative design transforms vertical isolation into horizontal connectivity, creating a unique urban landscape. With 1,040 residential units, the development spans 1.7 million square feet and was completed in late 2013. Multi-story openings facilitate light and air circulation, while 8 courtyards serve as central points. Sustainability is a priority for this project. Environmental studies led to the project receiving the Universal Design Mark Platinum Award and Green Mark Gold Plus Award. Stacked blocks generate 112% green area, while water bodies strategically cool outdoor spaces. Explore the Interlace, where smart design meets affordability and sustainability.